Good evening.
Good evening, teacher.
How are you?
I'm fine. Thank you.
Okay, are you ready?
Yes.
Please tell me about yourself.
My name is Lily Chom. I am 8 years old. I'm from Vietnam. I live Nam Định. I like pizza. I don't like banana.
Okay, what do you do in your free time, Lily too?
I don't know pizza. I am playing.
You are playing. And in the future, what do you want to be?
I want to be teacher.
A teacher. Try your best, okay?
Yes.
Okay, I think let's begin.
Game.
A.
A game. B. Mouse.
Marble.
Marble. C. Bus. Bus.
Puzzle.
Puzzle. D. Cars. E. Door. F. F. Ball.
Yes, ball.
G. Car.
H.
H. Kite.
Yes, okay. Now,
1 old,
old.
2 old, 2 new, 3 pig, 4 small, 5 long, 6 fast, fast, 3 7 noise,
Noisy.
noisy. S web my where's my face.
Yes.
9 brush my hair. Brush my hair.
Yes.
10 brush my teeth. Brush.
Lily too, please look at the pictures and let's talk about it. The first picture is, what are they?
The are all ties.
Yes.
Is an O 3D bear.
Teddy bear, okay.
Is a big elephant.
Yes.
Is a new toy bear. There are new car.
Yes.
Is a turtle.
Okay. Now, who are they?
Family.
Let's name it.
1 mother.
Okay.
2 father.
Yes.
3 brother. 4 sister. 5 grandmother. 6 grandfather.
Oh. What is the name of your mother, Lily too?
My mother name is Hai.
Hi. How about your father's name?
My father is named Tuấn.
Okay. Do you have a sister? Do you have a sister? Do you have a sister? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, yes.
There one ball.
There is one ball.
There are 5 cars. There are 2 doors.
Yes.
There are 3 kites. There one table.
Okay, what is the color of the one table?
Green.
Yes, okay, now look at the picture. Whose birthday is it?
This Ben's birthday.
How old is Ben?
He's 8.
He's 8. And what is it?
K.
It's a K. Okay, thank you. And what is the color of the toy car?
Blue.
Okay, thank you very much, Lily too. Goodbye.
Goodbye, teacher.